Join me as I dive into the latest leaks about the DJI Mini 5 Pro and try to guess what features are coming next. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most highly anticipated drones to hit the market, and for good reason. As a follow-up to the incredibly popular DJI Mini series, this new drone is expected to bring a whole new level of innovation and performance to the table. Today's Mini drones are great, don't get me wrong, but they do have some limitations. For one, their cameras often leave a lot to be desired, especially when it comes to low-light performance. And let's be real, who hasn't experienced the frustration of running out of battery mid-flight? We need something better, and that's exactly what the DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver. We've also seen some drawbacks when it comes to wind resistance and stability. A lot of Mini drones on the market just can't handle gusts of wind, and that makes them pretty useless for outdoor flying. And then there's the issue of obstacle avoidance, or rather, the lack thereof. We need a drone that can not only detect obstacles but also avoid them with ease. Another major limitation of current Mini drones is their lack of advanced features. I mean, sure, they can take some great photos and videos, but that's about it. We want more. We want drones that can follow us, track objects, and even perform aerial stunts. The demand for improvement is clear, and that's exactly what the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to bring to the table. With its upgraded camera system, we can expect improved low-light performance, better dynamic range, and even advanced features like object tracking and follow me mode. But that's not all. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is also rumored to have some serious flight time enhancements. We're talking up to 30 minutes of flight time, people. That's a game changer for anyone who wants to use their drone for more than just a quick spin around the block. And then there are the innovative capabilities that set it apart from the competition. Rumor has it that the DJI Mini 5 Pro will come equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance systems, including sensors that can detect obstacles in multiple directions. But the most exciting leak I've come across is the possibility of a built-in screen on the remote controller. Can you imagine being able to see exactly what your drone sees, without having to use your phone or tablet? That would be a total game changer for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. This leak has the potential to change the game for consumers and enthusiasts alike. It's not just about the tech, it's about the experience. Imagine being able to fly your drone without having to worry about running out of battery or crashing into obstacles. It's a whole new level of freedom and creativity. So, what do you think about the rumored features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Are you as excited as I am? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos for more drone news and updates.